What's going on, guys? I'm going to be showing you how to install front side markers on your 2014 Mustang. And for those that are wanting to watch the video on how to just remove them, I got you. I'm going to be removing the front ones and also the rear ones. So stay tuned. The side markers I'm going to be removing today. It's a front side marker right here. There's going to be a nut right here and a nut right here. And the way to access that is either you can crawl under the car, or you could take off the fog light vent that's right here and just reach your hand back here. It's really easy to get back there if you go open this. I recommend taking this off, which you're probably gonna have to crawl into the car at that point, but if you already have this off, it's a lot easier to do that. So just reach back here. You should feel a nut on both sides. And if you don't, keep looking, because I promise you they're there. And I'm gonna see if I can show you guys where that nut is. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but there's a nut back there. There's two of them, should be right here and right over there somewhere. The one I'm using now is a little bit bigger, and I recommend going for a smaller one. But you're gonna grab a 10mm socket right here. There it is. Just shove it in. There we go. You're gonna reach back here, and you're just gonna feel around, like I said. And if you feel it, then you got it. If not, like I said, keep looking, because I promise you'll find it.
Two hours later.
This would help. So, got it off. And what you're gonna wanna do, I recommend, is clean the inside of here, because as you can see, it's really dirty in here. So spend the time, just quick little second to go clean everything out in here. And you know, it won't make anybody else feel good but yourself knowing that this inside of here is clean. Got it all nice and clean. I'm not really caring about this, if this is clean or not, because it's gonna be coming off anyway. So this comes off very easy. All you have to do is just twist it. And since I'm gonna be replacing the whole thing, I'm gonna be taking this light out as well. So here's the new side marker I got. I like this so much more than this one. I don't like all the yellow in here and all that crap. It just looks gross to me, in my opinion. And I tinted this over and it looked really good for I got sick of seeing this yellow whenever I turned the light, and it looked very dull. So that's why I upgraded with these. I didn't plan on getting the LED light strip in here. I thought it was gonna become all clear, and I was planning on just getting the LED light that I took out and just putting it in here to make it an all white light. I tested on the other side and these lights are yellow. No big deal. I'm gonna put them on anyway because they look nice. Make sure that the lights actually work, so you don't want to put these all back on and then they're not turning on. So grabbing your keys and just checking if they work, which in this case they don't, so good thing I checked. So I'm gonna unplug it, plug it back in, and as you can see, I put them in the wrong way before, and glad I checked, now they work. And all you're gonna do is just grab this, shove it back into the little hole that's right there, and there should be two little holes on each side where these came out from when you took out the screws. So all you wanna do is line everything back up, push it in, make sure it's tight, and repeat the steps again. You're just gonna grab the screws that you took off previously and screw them right back on. If you're curious where I got these, I bought these off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. And for $17 compared to the $40 ones I've seen, I'm blown away. These look so nice. I was hoping that I was be able to get white ones to throw in with the white LEDs, like I said earlier, but that doesn't bother me a bit because these just make up for it. This looks so nice. Recommend getting these. But this one's very simple. Instead of using a flathead, even though this is all I got at the moment and it works just the same way, if you have one of those plastic tools that pries open stuff, use that for this. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna be using a flathead. Literally, it could be any size. I recommend, you know, using the big one, get more surface area, no big deal. And all you're gonna do is just push on the back end of this, not the front point, because the front point's where it hooks on. All you're gonna wanna do is just push it in there and then push away. And it literally pops right out. Don't be worried about the noise in there because it's just coming off the clips. And once you take it out, you'll have access to all the lights right here. Twist them like how you did on the front ones. And if you want to put it back in, there's a little hook right there, and it goes right into that slot. And so when you put it back in, you want to push it forward in the slot, and all you have to do is just tap it right back in, and it's not going to go anywhere.